this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your very own illustrated storybook using Canva. From generating your story idea with ChatGPT to creating AI-generated images inside Canva and putting everything together into a beautiful, printable book. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create digital storybooks for kids, classroom projects, or even to sell online. You don't need to be a professional writer or illustrator because we'll use free tools to help you every step of the way. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt like, "Write a short children's story about a brave cat who explores the forest." ChatGPT will instantly generate a creative short story for you. You can tweak the prompt depending on your theme. Maybe you want a bedtime story, a moral lesson, or a fun adventure. Once you're happy with the story, copy it into a separate document or note because we'll use it later inside Canva. Now, what you want to do is to ask ChatGPT for prompts to generate images that will narrate that story. Once you have your prompts, head over to your Canva homepage and hit on Canva AI. Click on this button that says Image to open Canva's AI generator. In the prompt bar, paste the prompts you generated on ChatGPT. Make sure to set the style and size to get the appropriate image for each generation. Repeat the whole process until you complete your story. Now go back to your home page and in the search bar type in ebook, then create a blank canvas. Once it opens, upload the images you generated earlier. After doing so, head over to the left-hand panel and add a text. Here, you can now add each scene of the story we generated earlier. After adding the inside pages, choose one photo to use as your cover page, then add the title. Once you're done, click on Share and then hit on Download and choose PDF Standard if you're using it digitally. But if you want a printed copy, you can choose PDF print for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created your own AI-assisted storybook in Canva, complete with text, images, and a professional layout. It's creative, simple, and a great way to bring your storytelling ideas to life. If you want to learn how to sell digital products online, how to make the official listing to sell digital products, and earn as much as we do, we made a separate video for that, so make sure to check that one out. I'll see you on our next video.